Bruno 6 right, clear for takeoff.
That'd be my that's my my go-to when I'm just out there watching the planes or spending some time with my good mate Bruce Shepard on Shep's Mound. You should try it. Here we go. The A330 service going to Perth now as intersection departure there at Foxtrot. What a beautiful sight. Chuck him in the bag, he's in the house. G'day, mates. Aussie Wild Horse is here. And Aussie Wild Horse is saying, Kurt, Haneda is pronounced Haneda. Haneda. No, not Haneda. Not Haneda. Haneda. There you go.
Good evening to all the SydSquadders out there.
Hey! Shout out from AirServices Australia tonight. There we go. And that one was to all of the viewers. Good evening to all of the SydSquadders out there. Wow. Wow, there you go, you cheeky devils. Well, thank you to the Air Traffic Control Tower there, AirServices Australia, with the wonderful, wonderful shout-out. That's brilliant. And a couple of plane spotters afoot the control tower tonight as well. Down there at Shep's Mound, enjoying a cold evening watching planes down there. Oh, that is fantastic. Oh, is that them waving? Is that them waving? Am I seeing things?
One,
no.
51, okay. Runway 16 right. Clear for takeoff.
Hang on. Was that them waving? I don't know. I thought I might have. Can anyone confirm? Gosh, my goodness. Yeah! There we go. Oh, you guys are awesome. Well done to the crew up there in the air traffic control tower. What a wonderful, wonderful message. A couple of waves up there. Well done, guys. There we go. My word. Wow, it is actually quite a clear view into the to the control tower there tonight. Wow, that is absolutely special. That is absolutely special. And thank you guys for that wonderful warm shout out, and also for the waves down here to the viewers of SydSquad. And we are absolutely in great company here tonight. That is magic. Well done. Oh, there we go. They keep on. Are they having a party up there or what? What is going on here?
Qantas 486, Sydney Tower, g'day. Wind 260 degrees 8 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land.
My goodness.
Rex 171, contact.
Out of control. Out of control.
Departures, Rex 171, good afternoon.
All right. back to work, everybody. Thank you, guys and girls. Wonderful. That is absolutely brilliant. That we've got their wonderful support. And while we're here, actually, we really should give a shout out to our AirServices Australia friends. And there's a wonderful message on screen now about kickstarting your career with AirServices Australia. They're always on the lookout for top talent from all walks of life. So if you are interested in learning more about being an air traffic controller, getting involved in perhaps the air traffic controller trainee program, head to the AirServices Australia website. There we go, airservicesaustralia.com, and make sure you get yourself involved. And oh, those guys are awesome. Absolutely awesome. A3.
Qantas 652, wind 240 degrees, 5 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Now Qantas 652 now cleared to land is it is Retro Roo cleared to land, and they are now on finals, and we know who is the FO on board this flight. FOAG is on finals now in the retro for Qantas 652 in from Perth. So I don't know, AG, if this is your sector or not, but make it a good one, my friend. Man, we got connections everywhere, man.
Qantas 499, contact departure. Sir,
That's 499, good night.
So, First Officer AG on board Qantas 652. Now, finals, Retro Roo. Here we go, inbound from Perth.
Qantas 73, line up, runway 16 right. Line up, runway 16 right, Qantas 73.
Well done, AG. That is absolutely magic.
Very good evening, Kurt, and this is SydSquad Member from Qantas 652, the Retro Route. Very good evening. Beautiful evening here in Sydney. Thanks for capturing our arrival. I appreciate all your support for Little Wings. Have a lovely night.
Wow! My goodness! Wow, First Officer AG, what a kind message there indeed. Wow, that is magic. This show is not stopping. My goodness. Wow, what a wonderful, kind message there from the cockpit there on board the Retro Roo. You heard it here first. The love. My word. Jeez. Wow. AG. Legend. Much respect. Much respect. Well done. Great landing, beautiful taxi, and a wonderful, wonderful message to the SydSquad family here tonight. And that was absolutely spectacular. Never have I ever. My goodness. You. I don't know how to encapsulate what has gone on here tonight, but far out.
Qantas 498, wind 220 degrees, 5 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land. We'll land 16 right, 498.
Good on you, reefer. Now, did anyone see what was taxiing or being towed in the background there? Did anyone see that? Did anyone have a keen eye? Did anyone have a keen eye? Well, I tell you what, I've got a keen eye. There it is. Registration still VHEFR and currently under tow as we speak.
Kilo, line up, runway 16 right.
And looks like they are likely being towed into one of two places, either going over to the 80s base or going into the jet base. So it looks like the old bird's going back home or getting close to going back home for a short while. Well, this was an unexpected movement on tonight's show, and how about it? We still get to feature EFR getting moved around the airfield. Wow, it just goes from one thing to the next. What a show. Big thanks to everyone for tuning in and for hanging out with us tonight. If you've no idea who I am, my name's Kurt. I'm the host of the SydSquad show here tonight. I'm looking after all things on the channel. You're hanging out with the SydSquad family. This is live plane spotting here down under.
Runway 16 right.
And it's just all about being chilled back and family friendly and great entertainment for people of all ages. And we really appreciate having your company. Hopefully you've enjoyed being here. And don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more content like today.
Copper 748, wind 220 degrees.
And if you haven't already, hit the like button. Let's pump this one up. This one should be a show for the records. I tell you, my goodness, there's going to be a lot to unpack after this show. Wow. Hey, by the way, the after party's on Facebook. SydSquad is on Facebook. We always get involved there, and Tim and I always like responding to everyone's messages and things like that. So if you want to hang out with us in a bit more of an informal way, hang out on Facebook is where it's at. We'll catch up with you there offline.
Kilo contact departures. Have a good night. Bye bye.
Wow, that's been cool, man. That's awesome.